Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do a little bit of lighting updating. We just bought this house. We moved in just a couple months ago and the lighting here is just okay for me. But I don't have the budget right now to switch out all the lighting or the ability. I'm not an electrician. My husband is not either, and I don't want to hire one right now to do that. Eventually I might learn to do it myself. YouTube is a good resource for that kind of stuff, so maybe I'll figure that out when we can buy some light fixtures. But for now, I want to change up the look without the cost, if that makes sense, or the difficulty. So I'm going to share with you today 3 different ways that I'm going to update 3 different lights in my home. And hopefully this might help you with ideas for your home. Most of the time I feel like when people redo their lighting, they're just painting it. I'm not going to be painting today. It's going to be very simple. Nothing too extraordinary, but things that I don't think everyone would have necessarily thought of. So hopefully this helps you in your own home. But that being said, let's go ahead and get started. First, I'm going to share with you the couple of lights that we are working with. So this is my dining room. This is the chandelier. As you can see, all the lighting is basically the same. It's like this rub oiled bronze. I don't know if you can tell, it kind of looks black in the lighting, but it's like a rub oiled bronze. Like it's kind of older style. Like I feel like it's from early 2000s to 2010 style. Very farmhouse, which is not really my style. I am more traditional than this. And then they have these like a bronzy frosted shades on them that are in kind of like a tulip pattern. And all of my lighting is like that. So we're gonna update this one. I want it to look more like a candelabra. This is my breakfast nook. So sorry for the lighting. This house is darker and I don't have great lighting for it right now, and so I'm sorry. I know it appears very yellow. I can try to color correct in the video, but you'll see it's still yellow. But anyway, this is our breakfast nook. As you can see, it is literally the same chandelier but just with fewer shades. So I am going to do something different for this one. Instead of doing a candelabra, I do want it to look different. The other thing we're going to take care of is over my bar. It is literally the same lighting as the chandeliers, except for they're upside down. So it's the same shades, same rub oiled bronze, and just upside down. For over the bar area, this is what I got. I ended up getting these, I don't know what you want to call them, cylinder glass shades. They're actually smaller than what I would have anticipated, but I kind of like them. These would be really, really good if you wanted to update bathroom light fixtures. So I might actually order more of these and do these for the bathrooms as well. So we're gonna do these though over the bar or island area on the ones that are facing down. If you've never changed the shade on a light before like this, I'm going to do my best to explain it. But first you want to unscrew the light bulb, and then that socket where your light bulb goes has threading on the inside where your light bulb goes, but then it also has threading on the outside. And there's this metal ring that you're going to turn and unscrew, and that's what holds your shade on. So this is a quick video of it so that you know what you're looking for, and then that is going to be how you reattach the new shade as well. For the breakfast nook, this is what we're going to do. I got these. They are considered a wine glass style lampshade. I just found them on Amazon. I will link them below. But we're gonna try this on the breakfast nook chandelier. I don't even know if that's what you call it, but I thought that that would be kind of fun. I do have to change out all the light bulbs so that they are clear, because I feel like with a clear glass shade, you're gonna want clear bulbs. So we're gonna try that and see how that looks with the chandelier, but I think it'll definitely modernize it, and it's very inexpensive. We are doing the exact same thing with this light as well. You're going to remove your light bulb first, and then there is a metal ring that you will unscrew so that you can remove your shade and then replace it with the new one. So for the dining room chandelier, it does like the breakfast one, regular light bulbs, meaning it uses the E26 base like this. So this is what I got off of Amazon. It is a converter, and this is the E26 base, and then this is for a chandelier bulb. So I can screw this in where the light bulb will go, and then I'll be able to use chandelier bulbs, and that should hopefully give me the look of a candelabra. So that will be a really cool update, I think, to this fixture here. So let's go ahead and try it. The last thing I'm gonna do after turning off the breaker to the dining room, because I do not want to electrocute myself, is mix a little bit of paint. And I'm gonna paint the like white threads on the chandelier because it kind of looks funny. But I have to kind of mix it up because it is a rub oil bronze look. It doesn't have to be exact, but you know, we'll try to get it at least somewhat bronzy-ish. I will tell you that I never, ever, ever mix enough paint when I'm doing this kind of thing, ever. So I'll have to mix it like 12 times before I get the project done, of course. That's pretty good. See how much better that is? I will have to do a second coat on that white part on the converter, but it looks a ton better than just the white. So I'll finish that up and show you what it looks like. So I showed you the 3 lights. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do a 4th light. It's not technically a 4th method, but I do have some extra shades and I figured why not switch out a bathroom light. So I'm gonna show you these real fast and what they would look like with different shades because I wanna modernize them all at this point. These are the bathroom light shades. They're just the same, like I said, as the bar lights, and actually all the lights, they all have these same exact shades and it's still the rub oil bronze. But as you can see, they are facing down. I have some extra of the wine glass shaped ones that I used over the breakfast nook, and I'm gonna go ahead and switch both of these out for those and see how that one looks. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed these ideas for switching up your lighting on a budget. Thanks so much for being here. I will see you guys in the next video.